Hello traders, welcome back to another video. Dr. Ali here, obviously CEO of before Sniper FX. Now we've done a little rebranding, so now we're going to be called Matrix Trading going forward. So I'll talk about the rebranding and why I felt the need to have this transition into a new chapter, a new phase from Sniper FX into Matrix Trading. Of course, as you guys know, I led Sniper FX ever since it really came to life last year when it all kind of just blew up. But Matrix Trading spells a new chapter for me personally in trading, basically pure to the amount of work I put in the last couple of months in order to really understand the markets into a deeper level and be able to take both sides of the market. If you've been following our my personal Telegram, Matrix Trading, you've seen some of the work we've done in the last month just to showcase some of the trades that were being sent, and all of these were done live. Look, the Bitcoin destruction, up and down, and calling out the Bitcoin buys that expanded for around 3,000 pips. So there's a lot to discuss on this call. One of the things that I did this week just to showcase the what the new knowledge is capable of is actually on I think Tuesday or Wednesday, I deposited a very small amount of capital into one of my accounts. I think it was around $200. And I wanted to showcase with that $200 what was really possible in the markets and what I could do and what could be achieved. So if you've been following it, you know what I'm talking about. So as I'm going to show here, so as you'll see, this is the account number here at the top. IC Markets live account under my name. And you can see when we go here and we pause it, the deposit was around $210. And this was coming to halfway at the first point of that trading day. And what actually ended up happening is in that span of about a day and a half, this account grew. And this was just after the first day of trading. It was almost up to $7,000 as I posted about. But I ended up taking that account by the end of the day's close to around 16,700. So let me show you that as we go forward. So I'll walk you through it. So this is when the deposit was it was made. And obviously you can see initially the lot sizing was very small because there's only a small amount of capital to play with. Obviously, once I started getting the account grew to around 700-800, the lot sizes could pick up because obviously my risk reward is extremely high. But the important thing to understand here is the losses are so small. And I spoke about this, the losses here are $2, $7, and you can see the losses that have occurred. They're very minuscule. Even the ones that are slightly larger are well controlled. So as I posted about this on that day, so there were, I took 41 intraday trades, which is quite a lot of volume, but it again shows when you understand the markets, the depth that we do now on the team, you can take those opportunities. Just about being able to trade all aspects of that market and structural cycle. So 41 trades taken, 9 of them were break even. So 32 trades in total, of which 6 hit stop loss. That is a true win percentage of 81.25%. Now, I don't really care about win percentages, not a statistic that's important for me. Anyway, I know a lot of people focus on it because actually what's really important is the equity growth at the end of the day. People that focus on the win percentage are really talking from an amateur level. Somebody can have a win percentage of 30% and still be profitable because you'd rather take 10 small losses. For example, if you have 2 traders and one has a win rate of, I don't know, even 30%, so he's winning 3 out of 10 times, but in the 7 times he loses, so losses are so minuscule, he's going to be more profitable than someone with a higher win rate and they're losing a considerable amount of money more per trade. So win percentage is really an amateur stat. I get it all the time in the industry about the win rate, but I've just showcased here again an 81% win rate. We're pretty phenomenal, right? Friday just got a little bit crazier for this account, and I'm again showcasing some of the destruction that was caused live. All of these trades were sent live in the public Telegram. I really kicked on with this account. So at the end of the day, going into Friday, that account was 7,100, and you can see we kicked on that account to almost 9,000. And you'll see here again, I showed the live same account, everything's the same. And Friday, I just kicked on with the account. There was a gold sell that I called out publicly for you all. Where is that public gold sell that I called out right from the top? And I'll talk about these trades as well, but it's right here. So let's have a look. So I called the midline trade on gold and also this trade here on gold here. And you saw the catastrophic collapse that gold had on Friday. And again, it was all to do with that manipulation picture that was building here to clean out people trying to buy this higher low here. It was actually beautiful piece of trading from the banks, actually, how the algorithm manipulated all sides of the markets. So you can see the account was growing quite exponentially, and I showcase this. So this was that 7,000 to 9,000 kicked on because of that gold trade. I also had Euro AUD running. So now, you know, there was almost 4,000 profit on top of that. So this is coming down to midday Friday, kicking on now. In terms of that Euro AUD trade, I'll showcase it again. The Euro AUD trade was sent publicly to you guys. Again, another trade, considerable R being sent over here. And yes, this was the pound yen, the chaos we caused on pound yen as well. So where did I post for you guys the Euro AUD trade? Let me just try and find it for you. Let me just maybe search a Euro AUD. No, this is old stuff. Yes, so this was Euro AUD right here being sent. Let me try and find it. So the problem when you when you send too many good trades, it's hard to keep track of what's going on. So yeah, this was not it. Euro AUD. Where was Euro AUD? There's too many trades being sent for you guys. Really, that's the issue with this kind of stuff. But in any case, I'll try and find. I think I tagged this in the wrong spot. So I tagged it on actually the gold chart, but it should have been. So actually, I can find the time when it was sent. So we look at Euro AUD, what time did that trade collapse from? Let's have a look. So yeah, the entry was sent around 2 o'clock on that Friday. So let's have a look. It's going to be way before this. 2 o'clock, yes. 2 o'clock. Yes, here we go. Exactly. So Euro AUD, sent it over here. Stop losses in place over there as well. I said it will collapse off that quite beautifully. And you can see that was a devastating collapse on Euro AUD. And we just kicked on. So obviously I had trades running on the Euro AUD as well. So the account really just kicked on. And by the end of the day, you can see when gold dropped, pound yen was kicking on, Euro AUD was dropping. The account really was around 17,400. Now I didn't end up closing the day around 16,700. I've got some trades running at the moment, as I've showcased you guys Bitcoin. I just sent this publicly here. So it's just been catastrophic what we've been doing on the market, and it just shows cases that acknowledge that. And this was the Bitcoin trade just sent to you guys now. Second scaling, the first scaling, and I've already sent to my team, and you can see what's happened to that Bitcoin trade. Again, this is a video really demonstrating what I've been up to in the last 2 months in terms of refinement and approach, down to really understanding on a deeper level how price is being delivered from an algorithmic perspective, and truly very close, if not there, and to knowing how Enigma or the central bank algorithm is really delivering price. So, you know, I can go on and on about the trades we took. Euro USD was another one that I shared publicly, which went on. Euro AUD over here. Obviously, let's look at Euro USD. So Euro USD was another one that kicked on to the entries. Again, these were all sent live. The Euro USD buy was sent here, took it over here. That was a nice 100-pip trade. I was out of this trade, and I said to my team that it would collapse off that level here, and it ripped through. And dollar index obviously flew as well at the back of that. So, you know, we've been doing some exceptional work, and I just wanted to update everyone on some of the things that have been going on. A lot of interest, obviously, to come and join the team, etc. There is a strict interview process. Pound CAD I posted for you guys ages ago. So if I show you Pound CAD, we posed a while back. So you can see this 22nd of October, looking for Pound CAD to come and hit this level. And guess what? We tapped into that level so perfectly last week. And that's how it's done. So I'll catch up with you guys very soon. I know this is just more for interest sake more than anything, this video, just to demonstrate that, I mean, it's a phenomenal result, whatever way you look at it. $200 there 16 or 17K by the end of the trading day. It's almost 8,000% plus. So I'll catch up with you guys soon. If you guys want some more trading videos done on specific topics, psychology, trade management, etc., I've already posted some of the basic foundational stuff on structure, etc. You can look at it. The deeper stuff, obviously, you have to come on the team to learn. I'm not really going to be sharing that, how price is being delivered on that aspect. So I'll catch up with you all very soon. Hope that was interesting for you guys. And you can see, it takes a lot of effort to run a page like this. And, the trading has just been exceptional, to be honest with you. I can't even say anything else. So, it's just, yeah. So this was how, the Bitcoin trade, when I was calling it from the sells to buys over there, and you can see how how devastating those moves were, sells into buy. So I'll catch up with you all very soon. Hope that was useful and interesting for you all. But again, there's nothing negative need to be said, but I'll catch up with you guys very soon. See you guys on the other side.